An absolutely stunning 2-bedroom condo with high-end finishes throughout. The location is fantastic, with Maple Park across the street and quick access to both the Fonthill and Welland downtown cores. You have all the amenities you need right close by. Built in 2020, this condo features only the highest end finishes for you to enjoy. From quartz countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms to luxury vinyl flooring throughout and an open concept design, this isn't your ordinary condo. My name's David Hildebrand of the Wayne Skilser team from Remax Escarpment, and welcome to 529 South Pelham Road, Unit 201. If you're a first-time home buyer, professional couple, or looking to downsize, this is the spot for you. All you have to do is move in and enjoy. To book your private viewing, call me at 905-353-5149.